Welcome to our channel. Today we how to save on programming resources with Codecademy, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To save on programming resources with Codecademy, start by creating a free account on their website. Visit the Codecademy homepage and click on the sign up button. You can use your email address or sign up via Google or Facebook. Once you have your account, explore the free courses available. Codecademy offers a variety of foundational programming languages. Look for languages like Python, JavaScript, and HTML/CSS. These languages have introductory courses that don't require payment. Complete these free courses to build your programming skills without spending money. Next, keep an eye on Codecademy's promotional offers. They frequently have deals that provide access to their pro features at a reduced price. Sign up for their newsletter to stay updated on special promotions. Consider using the community forums for additional learning support. Engagement with other learners can enhance your understanding of concepts. Participate in study groups or find a mentor to guide you. Utilize free online resources alongside your Codecademy courses. Websites like W3 Schools, FreeCodeCamp, and GitHub offer valuable supplementary information. Make use of coding challenge websites to practice your skills. Platforms like LeetCode and HackerRank can help reinforce what you've learned. Finally, establish a consistent learning schedule. Regular practice will help you master programming concepts more effectively. By following these steps, you can save on programming resources while enhancing your coding skills with Codecademy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.